everyone and welcome to this video. In the previous video, we saw some examples solving a quadratic equation using completing the square method. Now we shall see what are the most common mistakes that happen while solving a quadratic equation by completing the square method. The sum of the marks that Hardik got in mathematics and science exams is 44. If he gets 2 marks more in mathematics and 4 marks less in science, then the product of his marks is 440. Can you find out marks he got in each subject? Pause the video to solve this question and then check your answer. Let us suppose that the marks obtained in mathematics is x, therefore the marks obtained in science will be 44 minus x. We know that if we add 2 to the mathematics marks and subtract 4 from the science marks, the product of the marks becomes 440, which is shown by equation 1. Upon further simplifying, we get algebraic equation 2. Can you guess what we should do next? To find out the mathematics marks, we will solve equation 2 in which coefficient of x is minus 38 and we divide it by 2. Thus, we get minus 19. We will now add and subtract the square of minus 19 to the left side of equation 2 so that the equation remains balanced. Solving the equation further, we get two values of x. X is equal to 18 and x is equal to 20. If we take the value of x as 18, then we get 18 marks in mathematics and 26 marks in science, and these satisfy the conditions given in the question. And if we take the value of x as 20, then we get 20 marks in mathematics and 24 marks in science, which once again satisfies the given conditions. So we can say that there are two possible solutions to this question, 18 or 20, and that Hardik could have got either of these marks. Hence, option 3 is the correct answer. If you have chosen the first option, it is a good try. But this answer is wrong. Because when you take the square root of x minus 19 square is equal to 1, then you only consider that x minus 19 equals to plus 1, which gives 20 marks in maths and 24 in science. But you have forgotten that x minus 19 equals to minus 1 is also a second possible solution. Note that we have to find the value of x for both positive and negative 1. Therefore, option 1 is incorrect. If you have chosen the second option, this too is a good try. But once again, your answer is incorrect. Because when you divided 38, the coefficient of x in equation 1 by 2 and then added and subtracted it directly to the left-hand side of the equation and get this equation without taking the square of 19 and then doing the same. In this way, we get stuck here because we had made a mistake while making the perfect square due to a wrong understanding, because of which you get an incorrect answer. So hopefully you must have understood why the third option is right in this example and why the other options are wrong. Teachers can also test the understanding of students in the class with the help of some such examples.